Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Baked burgers are a great, nearly hands-off cooking method that won't fill your kitchen with the smell of frying beef. Pan-fried burgers, on the other hand, have the benefit of a tasty sear from the cast iron skillet. And, if it's hot out, cooking burgers on the stove top won't heat your house as baking burgers will. 19 November 2020.
Take our lead.
To ensure that the meat cooks evenly, make a thumbprint indentation into each patty before it goes on the grill. The indentation helps the patty hold its shape, rather than swelling, as it shrinks during cooking. 13 May 2013.
Take our lead.
Yep. If you're looking for a little more speed and a little less smoke, you can grill inside the oven. Put a grill pan, or griddle, on the oven rack and preheat the oven to 500 F. Place your burgers on the pan and turn halfway through cooking. 27 April 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. When the pan is hot, carefully place the patties in the skillet. No need to grease skillet, leaving some space between each patty. Cook the burgers until nicely seared and they have browned halfway up the sides. Flip the burgers and cook to your liking.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.